Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, this one that is about 2u, this one that is about 1 over x, this one that is about cosx. Now we can do about factorization in here, and that should be like this. So this one we change for u, 1 minus 3x cosine x over x dx, we change for 2u du. So this one we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.